Welcome back, children, to our second session of object and classes. In the last session, we have seen till message passing, right? So now in this session, we will talk more about classes. What is a class? As I told you already, class is a blueprint of an object. It can also be defined as a category that describes some characteristics and behavior. And it is significant to discuss an object without referring to its class. What does it mean? See, if you are going to construct any building, before constructing the building you need a blueprint, right? So class is like that blueprint only. With a single class you can create many objects, and it is insignificant. It's not worth it to discuss an object without referring to its class. For example, if I discuss about all the students of your class without telling them in which class you are, for example, all of you are studying in 9th or 10th class. If I refer to any girl without specifying her class, whether she is in 9th or 10th, then just I am referring to her name. Will the others will be able to identify to which student I am talking about? No. So it becomes insignificant unless I refer to you as 9th E so and so girl or 9th F so and so boy, like that. Until and unless I discuss like that, the discussion becomes insignificant. Okay. Now see here, class fruits. Under fruits, how many different categories we are having? Apple, banana, pear, grapes. All these are different kinds of fruit, but they belong to a single class called fruits. Seeing it, characteristics of all the fruits: color, taste, shape. And what is their common behavior? Fruits are used for making juice, used for festive occasion, used for breakfast or any similar occasions. Characteristics poses are similar are color, taste, shape. All of them are having different characteristics, but behavior which is common is we can make juice, we can use them for festive occasion, and we can also use for breakfast. Object is also called the instance of a class. Creating objects of a class. Now we will see how we are going to create objects of a class. When an object of a class is created, then it is said to be instantiation. This word you have to remember. You may be given this in 1 mark questions. When an object of a class is created, then it is said to be instantiation. A single class may have any number of instances. Attributes are the characteristics or data members of an object. Okay. Now see here, this is the syntax for creating an object. Class name, object name is equal to new class name, then parenthesis, then semicolon. What is this? This is nothing but syntax for creating an object of a class. Example: fruit apple is equal to new fruit. See here, fruit is the class name, apple is the object being created, and new is the keyword. Next example: fruits banana is equal to new fruits. Now we'll see how to create an object of a class. First, declaration. Second, instantiation. Third, operator new. These are the 3 steps which you are going to follow when you are creating any object of a class. Real world versus class objects. What is this? This object car. Okay, and the car we have Nano, Honda, Maruti. You can take any of your choice, BMW and Mercedes and Honda City. Any car of your choice you can take to compare. Car, class car, begin, characteristics, color, model. And what is the behavior? Journey, demo, that's all. Now if you see a car as a class, what are the characteristics it possesses? Color and model. That may be different, but behavior, if you sit in a Mercedes Benz or you sit in a Nano, what you will do? You are going to your destination. That's it. That is the common behavior. Car Honda is equal to new car. Car Nano is equal to new car. Car Maruti is equal to new car. All these are objects of a car. What is a new operator? It is used to allocate space in the dynamic memory for storage of data and functions of an object. As the object of a class have been created, they will follow the below structure. How many different cars we have? Honda, Nano and Maruti. Different characteristics they possess: color, and then common behavior. What is their common behavior? journey demo. They will have different color, different model, but their common behavior is to use for journey. Now we'll see software class and objects. Class employee. Under employee we have data members and name, department, salary, and member methods, accept data, display data. So these are, suppose I am an employee of a school, then management will have my name and in which department I am working and my salary. And member methods, what they will do, they will accept the data, whatever I am giving them they will accept it, and whenever information is asked, they will display the data. The objects of a class employee can be created by using the following statements. Now what are those statements? Employee staff 1 is equal to new employee. Employee staff 2 is equal to new employee. Employee staff 3 is equal to new employee. Each object of class employee is created above will contain different data value as name, department and salary. Common function as accept data and display data. You may be having many teachers, right? In 9th you have many teachers, different teachers. In 10th also you have many different teachers. Every teacher will have a different name. Every teacher will have a different salary structure. Every teacher will have a different department. Some may be in boys wing, some may be in working in girls wing, some may be working somewhere else. So but what is the common trait? They will input the value and accept data and display data will be the common things they share. Associativity of data and function under different objects. Now what is this? See here now, staff 1, staff 2, staff 3. Name Amar, CEDT department, salary is 45,000. Name is Suresh, salary 35,000, LD shop. Name is Peter, automation department, salary 50,000. Then the common methods are accept data and display data. Some of the functions that can be carried out on different objects are shown as follow. Staff 1 accept data is equal to, it accepts the data department salary for object staff 1. Staff 2 dot accept data, it accepts name, department, salary for object staff 2. Staff 1 dot display data, it displays name, department, salary of the staff. Okay. Now class, product, behavior and characteristics. Now we have a class called product and its behavior is data members. Under data members we have quantity and rate, amount, and under member methods we have input value, calculate, display. The object of class product can be created by using the following statement. Product TV set is equal to new product, then product cooler is equal to new product. Then we have to follow the method of putting the brackets and semicolon. Once the objects are created, it will possess data members and member methods as shown below. So what is that? Here we have data members. One data member is TV set, another is cooler. Quantity 4, rate 50,000, amount 2 lakh. Quantity 5, rate 8,000, amount 40,000. Why quantity, rate, amount different here? Because we are having 4 quantity. Each one of the TV set will cost around 50,000. So what 4 TVs are going to count as means 2 lakh rupees. Like that amount is calculated. And then member methods, input value, calculate, display. The member methods will be invoked on each object as TV set dot input value. It accepts quantity and rate of TV set. Cooler dot input value, it will accept quantity and rate of cooler. TV set dot calculate, it calculates amount for TV set. Then TV set dot display, it will display the amount of the TV set, and like that we can go on doing. Important terms related to class. Now what are the important terms which are related to class? First, class is an object factory. Class is a user defined data type. Object is an instance of a class. Okay, so first we will see in the later class. Okay, we'll continue in the next video about class as an object factory.